Best seafood for diabetics, healthy choices for blood sugar control. Did you know that some of the best foods for blood sugar control come straight from the sea? If you have diabetes or are managing your carbs, seafood might just be your best friend. Hi, food trippers. Today, we're diving into the top seafood picks that are not only delicious, but also diabetic-friendly. 1. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and support heart health, two important concerns for diabetics. Plus, it's carb-free and packed with high-quality protein. Two, shrimp, high protein, low carb. Shrimp is low in calories and carbs, but high in protein, making it a perfect choice for keeping your blood sugar stable. Just watch the sodium content in processed or frozen varieties. Three, squid or calamari in moderation. Grilled or boiled squid is a tasty, lean protein. Skip the deep-fried version, though. It's often coated in flour or breadcrumbs that spike blood sugar. Four, sardines, small fish, big benefits. These tiny fish are a powerhouse of nutrients, protein, omega-3s, and even vitamin D. Choose them packed in water or olive oil and enjoy them with low-carb veggies. Five, crab, sweet, savory, and safe. Crab is another great seafood for diabetics. It's rich in protein, low in fat, and very low in carbohydrates. Just go easy on those buttery dips. Choose grilled, steamed, or baked options. Watch out for sugary sauces or breading. Pair seafood with leafy greens or cauliflower rice for a low-carb meal. So there you have it. Seafood that's not only tasty, but supports your blood sugar goals. Whether you're enjoying salmon, shrimp, or sardine, the sea has something healthy for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-friendly food tips. Thanks for watching.